The internal supply chain, a complex construct. The delicate network of dependencies, tasks, and participants is constantly being tested by divergent goals, internal requirements, and volatile external factors. For more than 25 years, we've been working as an SAP software partner to make supply chain processes transparent and controllable. In this way, we contribute to the economic success of our customers. How good are your processes? Are all the screws already set to optimum, or is there still room for improvement? And if so, where? What is your SCX? Based on the data from your SAP S/4HANA system, a sophisticated algorithm calculates how close you are to perfection. The SCX indicator shows you with a key figure how much potential is in your processes. Now you can easily compare yourself with other supply chain experts. At your next meeting, simply ask the question, "What's your SCX?" The SCX indicator shows you the quality of your complete supply chain processes by means of a key figure, end to end. The SCX indicator is fed from the key figure-based process indicators. These provide you with information on the point in your value chain where the need of action is greatest. What for? Because you can derive your concrete challenges from the key figures and take optimizing measures at an early stage. With the help of intelligent analysis options, you first investigate the causes. Analysis. With the tools for strategic planning and simulation, you can create the best possible plan. And use the operative construction kit to put your plans into practice. Execution. Target actual comparisons and the adjustment of relevant parameters then support you in the improvement process. Optimization. At GIB, we call it the APEO principle: analysis, planning, execution, optimization. The APEO principle supports the optimization of each individual process step, from demand planning through materials and procurement management to production and distribution, and applies equally to the optimization of the overall process. We've reduced the throughput speed by 67%, especially in the area of material planning for standard products. And for this, we received an SCM award from GIB in 2017. I've implemented it 3 times in different companies and would do it again. In the company I currently work for, it's rolled out in all factories. With a new implementation of SAP, GIB is included as standard. With increasing globalization, the challenges for supply chain management are growing. Even small and medium-sized companies are in worldwide competition today, whether they want to or not. In addition, the management has long recognized how crucial an optimum supply chain management can be for competitiveness. These internal and external demands and conflicting goals make for a complexity along the value chain that is almost impossible to manage. The processes become intransparent and difficult to control. The most important benefit is transparency. We simply make operational processes much more transparent by knowing what is behind the core processes as a result. This gives us a significant transparency advantage. Instead of simply letting a process run without knowing what the final result behind the operational processes is. The pressure on those involved in the process is increasing rapidly, and this with growing expectations of sustainable economic success through perfectly interlocked processes. SCX harmonizes conflicting requirements and objectives. Taking a macroeconomic view of the supply chain, island optimizations are balanced, communication breakdowns are overcome, and fields of action are automatically recognized and displayed. The newly gained transparency makes the supply chain controllable and manageable again. With system-immanent intelligence and a strong focus on usability and simplicity, GIB SCX gives you back control of your value chain. Holistic, effective, economic. Proven. The cooperation with GIB was actually always eye to eye, and in some cases, due to their good advice, we were saved from making bad decisions. We have the feeling that whether it's a problem or just a question, we can always contact them. We're not alone with our problems. This is not to be taken for granted, one has to say. Supply chain at its best. Supply chain excellence, SCX, by GIB.